G'day and welcome back to the garage. On the last episode, the old swing arm was given a refurbish, with the surfaces cleaned up and new old stock stickers applied. An aftermarket Öhlins shock was also installed to complement the modern RMZ front end. And in this episode, the bike will be completed and fired up for the first time in a long time. Let's get started. A while ago I was lucky enough to find this new old stock Pro Circuit Works pipe. It's a pretty rare thing and it's one of the original old Pro Circuit pipes with the bronze brazing construction. This thing's been sitting on a shelf somewhere in Europe for probably 20 years and has a fair amount of surface rust to be cleaned off. And for this, I'm using CLR, a product I've used in a previous video. With the rust removed, a torch is used to reheat the welds and bring back the blue and brown colour that makes these bare pipes look so good. And here is another rare old period part, an Answer VFC silencer. These things have a weird valve in the end of the body called a variable flow chamber. It opens and closes like a power valve according to exhaust flow. but it mustn't have been very good because they didn't make it for very long, but it's a cool piece and it has an awesome fluoro decal on it, so I'll run it. The radiators on the bike were in good condition, so all they needed was a clean, some paint and some new plastic guards. To continue with the custom theme of this build, I decided to go with black hubs and rims, assembled off camera. Check out the RM125 build for an in-depth video of building wheels. The hubs are originals, Cerakoted black, and the rims are new XL items. And with the wheels built, the RMZ front end could be installed for the final time. Here's a good example of the effect of filming a build like this. I'm concentrating more on camera position, lighting, sound and shadows that I haven't even realised that I've installed the clutch lever completely backwards. Yes, they are fluoro green grips. And the reason I'm using them is that they tie in well with the shroud graphics I'm using, reproductions of the old school MXA graphics from the 1990s. And with the rest of the new plastics and the seat reinstalled, the build is complete. Stay tuned for a future episode where we'll take the bike out for a ride. Thanks for watching, see you next time.